Unboxing a package need 3 steps.
Receive package, open it and then see what you get in the box. This is 35mm f0.95 lens from TTArtisan. Okay, what you get in the box is a user manual, warranty card, and a lens. Now let's see its appearance. Something changed. The exterior design follows the style of 55mm f0.95, but they have different. Let me zoom in to see more detail. Just focus on the silver part. When the angle of the light changes, it also changes light and dark. Can you see that? As usual, the lens cap is threaded with clicked aperture. The focus ring is also smooth. So how does it perform? Let's see. Oops, sorry. This is an APS-C frame lens, so I need to change my camera frame into APS-C mode. I first open the aperture into the maximum, f0.95. The focus center is clear, and the blurring effect is pretty good. The light spots are more than like a polygon. It also performs well in close-up distance photography. Okay, now let's see more samples.